Darce.
Nice. Right in the middle, hopefully. That hit hard.
That dog is nice.
That is
Good
that'll
ball.
play.
Nice.
Yeah, right.
I missed that.
Wow.
Right.
No, I missed the shot because I was moving the camera because he was too far right.
Does this make me look fast?
It's an innie.
Bob, that's an aggressive line.
I did not see.
Oh, Darcy, kick. Oh, you're all right. That's good. Good ball, Dar.
Hit it straight. Woods.
Oh, that's going to be nice, Lyncher.
Nice out, Bob.
Good ball. You might be a little on the backside, but you're up there.
This would be the
Left again. Did you do that last time?
Hold it left.
Yeah. I thought I was in front. Right. Get up there. Hey.
Yeah, no, that's. Yeah, we have to. Now, set.
Oh, I do have.
My getaway socks, so they never suspect that. That's your best one so far.
There you go.
What a shot, Birdo.
That's a great shot.
Real
Get
good
in.
ball, Bob.
We'll give that one
Yep,
to you.
that's good.
That's good. Good ball, Lyncher.
Actually, why don't you putt that out there, Bubs? Good shot.
Just outside of it. That's inside of it. Good putt.
So we got to go in between those.
Yeah, you got to go to the outside, in between. Yeah, right. But a little bit closer to the leap to the right. Okay.
What I found is if you put it in, it's a lot easier. You know that?
I'm going to go mark that because Goulson's going to freaking hit the thing.
Jesus, if he hit that, we got to leave. You ever heard a gangster rap song with smooth criminal beat?
Yeah.
This is it.
I like it. Ooh, it does turn.
I liked it.
Wow,
I
yeah,
liked it
that's
for a
got some
minute.
speed too.
And then they're like, I don't like it.
Be it. Be it.
Great putt.
Good
Good
putt.
putt.
Safe.
Safe. Been there.
I'm just.
That's gonna work out.
That's going to be nice.
Ball.
Good ball, Michael. Oh, goody! That's going to run, too.
We gotta go for things.
Not good, but it's up there. That was a beautiful.
Oh, Darcy! Darcy!
Look at her.
Great ball.
Yeah, you know what? That's great practice for the 100-yard shot.
You get drawn?
So did Bob.
You did too?
The 100-yard shot. You're gonna
Yeah,
have to
April
film
texted me and said Bob and I got drawn.
I'd never get drawn.
I did not want to get drawn.
Oh, that's gonna run up there too. That's gonna be really good.
Beautiful. Just how
You
threw
could have
it
put
up.
that in. The way that was curving, that could have hit the pin. Oh, and look at that kick.
Nice kick.
Gee, all three of you make a good.
Ball. No, that's up there.
Good ball.
All right.
Got options.
That ball moved.
Moved on you, yeah.
Ball moved when you came back.
There, that's our dog. Yeah, it is. Yeah, brother. Good shot.
in flat now.
So let's
Okay.
go what?
Go straight at it.
Yeah, straight at it.
Yeah. In for par.
We're in for par.
That came out all fucking goofy, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, Nicole.
Stay on the first.
Yesterday, Olive and I came out golfing on number 5, both looking out of bounds.
Good shot, Darcy.
Oh.
Great shot.
Atta baby.
Shmoo, what's your yardage?
Got about 128.
Good ball. Uh-oh.
Cart path.
Well, he just passed it. I just don't know where he started.
That's coming off the hill.
It's a little deep.
He held it though, like it was gonna go.
That's gonna be all right. It's gonna be real nice. That'll work. Good ball.
Come back.
Kick in.
Nice move.
Oh!
Came back.
Oh!
In there.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Great shot, Nicole. Hit it.
Great ball, Cole.
There you go.
Oh, you're gonna want to study that one.
I hope it's through.
No, that's not far enough.
You don't think so?
That's not good.
You're not gonna find that one.
Put a
Chanel.
safe one out there.
Way to come, Michael.
That'll fly.
I'll play nice. Good ball. Oh, there it is,
God,
Gooley.
that thing,
Attaboy.
that thing just took a hard right. I think that one's gone. On dart.
That should work. Fine, they decline.
Good ball.
Fine, they decline. That's still
Yeah,
gonna
that's
be a
gonna
little
be-
short.
126.
We'll
you
be
said?
right on the
Yeah.
green.
I think we're gonna be short.
I think I
Yeah,
got
it's
this in my
short.
bag, guys.
You don't think I had enough to get to the green, though? No.
No, absolutely not.
Yeah. Fuck you, Michael.
Absolutely not. Chanel. That's all right. I'm gonna tell you what not to do right here.
That's a hard no.
That's a hard left. We're going real fast. We're going real fast.
Oh, that I like.
I like that too. Get up there. Get up there.
Nah, that's a hard no. You didn't get to the
Eight
green.
fucking men, brother. I get it. Son of a bitch, face.
Son of a bitch face is right. Go, go, go. That's the club. Be the club.
I did.
Wasn't that right before Swindy?
If it was a par. It was right in front of a bunch of high school kids. That was cool.
I think I might be distraught because I can't watch the fever ring on it.
Ooh.
That'll work.
Good ball, Lyncher. Just a little left is all.
Nice.
What
Nice.
a putt! What a
Oh
putt!
my
Great
goodness.
putt!
How
That
did
much left to
miss?
right?
That was a
Great
that was
putt.
really good.
I think
speed,
they're going to
too.
give us that one. Great putt.
We're in, so I'd rather have you too hard than short. There. Hit it. Oh, you did. I wonder if that would have gone in if that flag wasn't in. It was leaning towards.
Darcy, great putt.
Good from there.
You have it.
What a putt! Great putt. Great putt.
Good ball. Yeah, I'm losing them in the sky.
It's right down the middle.
Yeah,
Is it?
down the middle. That's right by Bob.
Atta boy. Good ball.
Well, technically he's in a fairway.
Just on seventh.
Oh, that sounded good.
Hit the tree branch, came straight down.
Chili dippers! When I looked up, I wanted to see it. Golly. We'll watch it for you, brother.
That's nice.
Sit.
There you go, Nicole. Release. Bad hop.
Good shot.
That was a good shot.
Nice chip. It's one of your better ones. That's your birthday present. Just gave me milk. This. No, I'm gonna need a compliment.
Oh, and then it takes a wicked left. What? You're at about 69. That's looking really good. Good ball, Lyncher.
I think it came up way to the left.
That too high? I think so.
Hit it. Oh, great putt, Michael.
Thanks, guys. I know you're just saying it. I don't know.
I'm down. Great putt.
We're scared of it.
Good putt. Good from there. Right here, honey.
Is that birdie?
I drilled that. Yep.
Great ball, Lemcher.
Coming back.
Michael, that's exactly where I want to be.
That's a good shot.
That's a great shot.
Long branch?
No, he's right of it.
Bully needs another burger. Ooh, if
Great shot. Great dive. Pounded that shit.
On Dar. My nigga died. Easy, I'm still fuck was with our mission. Not just being real. See the truth is, everybody wanna know I post me and stupid.
run.
Should be all right.
There you go, Nicole.
That should turn out nice.
Come on, Birdo.
Kick right. Oh, short.
Nice Bob. Nice Bob.
See where she goes.
Oh my god!
That's twice that
Yeah. Come around. Come around. God. It's one thing when you go behind. Do that. Come on, hit it, hit it. Oh. Wait. In for par.
Good shot.
Good putt.
Oh, you go to Slovenia? Yeah. I used to go to East of you, Rochester, Greenville in Rochester.
Ruh-roh.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they got over there. A little closer.
Oh yeah.
I hit cart path. Short down the road.
That hit cart path. We need a lady. We need a lady on this
Very
one.
much like
But I don't think.
I like it, Shmoo.
Coming.
Not a boy.
We're on, but deep.
It's like, oh,
All right.
Yeah.
Gotta go.
It's gotta get legs.
That face. No.
Sorry. Good thing we have fun.
I lost it.
It's over by you.
Flight plan is yours.
Is it? Heroes stick together?
Great shot, Darcy. Great shot, Darce. Way to pick me. Put one close for birdie. Here we go. Best shot of the day.
Right.
Oh, there you go.
It's up there. Nice shot.
You got her.
Feel my pain, niggas wanna step my face. Feel my rain, going it's like never have another chance. Only give my fight. But then you came to reach you if you wanna say peace. Came to reach.
That did not do anything
Brother,
close to
I'm
what I
proud
thought we
of
were
you
trying
for the
for.
way you're putting it.
Well, it's the empire from the letter, ain't no that's and when I'm on
I gotta hit it.
you been through
Yeah.
it.
I had to hit it.
Oh,
I'm sorry. Shit.
Corners like I was a curve, I struck a nerve, and I get my complete this doesn't play good serve. I heard it's not what you pump, but when you pay rent. Then I heard it's not what you make, but how much you spend, you got, you get out elbows, amongst other things. But
Come on.
not work.
Yes. Come on.
Come on.
Go, go, get!
Oh.
God damn it!
Oh,
You guys are fucking pathetic. You know how much you guys
Yeah,
missed?
right.
Let's go right back here, Nick.
What's this?
Like Happy Gilmore picking up the cracker. Right. Or you push this cut. Yeah. I'm a fucking shortcut that had today.
Ball.
It was an all ladies hole. I did not help out one bit.
Well, that's why you have them, right?
Nice ball, Lyncher. That fucker didn't even move.
Straight as an arrow.
Mark O'Meara called, wants a swing back.
Wow.
Got a good kick over the hill.
Oh, Michael. Yes, it will.
Oh, that's not gonna go left.
Yeah, I don't think that's staying in.
That was like Beyonce, buddy. I see none of it, brother.
They come back. Yeah,
Great shot, honey. Nice draw on it. Crushed. Crushed. Won't be bad.
you're on that corner for sure.
You're going to be down in that rough. It's just hard to find.
No, that we can work with that.
Thanks, Dad.
Actually, might be better than you think because the tree that is on the right of the green is up there.
I don't think that's going to be good.
We can find it, Michael.
We can find it.
Oh, that's there. No, we're fine.
Well, we're fine, but I'd probably take.
Dars, you shouldn't have watched me, mija.
Here we go.
I was even like focusing.
You were thinking like focusing?
Yeah.
Focus factor. There you go, Nicole.
Great job.
Way to move it forward. Good job.
I gave you all this time to find your club, and now you're dicking around.
God damn.
Do you eat your Cheetos?
Should have stuck with the first club, Berto.
Should have.
Yeah.
Get a wood off that.
Do you beat Grace?
Oh, my rheumatoid arthritis medics. You have to watch.
Darcy, come back. Kick left. Oh, what a great ball, though. Good contact.
What did you?
Is that your first one you lost?
You can't find his? It's...
Oh.
Hang on. Hang on. Oh, bad kick. Oh, Lyncher.
Just deep. Well, that didn't say anything. That's fucking down on one.
That's Sailor shot at head all day.
Gave up on it. No fucking hero ball.
Somewhere in the middle, brother.
Hero ball? Damn it. That's not hero ball. That's all right.
We got options.
Wow. We'll go check Michael out.
Phil, you took the whole swing on that one, brother.
Back fit. I wanted more up than out.
Damn it.
There we go, Michael. Good ball.
Thanks, guys. I had to do something on this whole day.
Good job. Appreciate you. All right.
Good up.
Up there. Need one closer.
You got the left and the right covered, Lyncher. Right down the throat.
Nice.
What are we going straight at it there? Little bit.
Out?
Yeah.
Got it. Boy.
Michael.
Boy.
Thanks, guys.
You both gotta do
I needed it. I needed a little boost.
We needed that.
Both gotta do this
Straight there.
Oh my god! Just in between.
Again,
her.
we covered both sides of Bob.
Yeah. In between the tits.
He's been there.
He's gotta do it.
But
And he still knows
Yeah.
that. And he still knows that.
Yep.
That
Right
bird?
in between.
That's a par, right?
Bird or
Yep.
par? Okay.
We're down one going into last hole.
So we're still one up on you with one to go.
Yep.
Great ball, Lyncher.
You don't have to say
Great ball.
Yeah, no, we're really proud of you.
Thank you, Michael. Thank you. And your praise is.
We're all ready to beat them.
Unless they eat.
See, I like his attitude.
Not a way to get us started, Michael. All right. That's all right. We're fine up there.
They have the one lead that's proud.
Till that cart picks them up.
Be better. Be better, Shroms.
Needed safe one. That was it. Healed that motherfucker.
That would have happened this morning. You just see the rooster tail from it.
Oh, that's all right. We're safe.
Ladies, I don't want to put any pressure on you.
Are we?
We're down one going into the last hole. We need a birdie. I've got a decent drive out there. What's the score, Darce?
79 to 70. The good guy.
Fuck you, hot stuff. Back and take mine, don't you? You take that. Yeah, it's hitting from the fairway.
Yeah, we can do that. We'll pick it up.
What are we gonna do here?
Not birdie.
Punch it?
Yeah.
We'll pick it up, Funky.
Big decision for the team. Not only losing, but I mean, if we birdie and you only par, we're tied. But if you bogey and we birdie,
Boy, and carding back, you take it.
oh,
Uh-oh.
Oh, but shitty van.
Real shit.
Guys, you want to go see Saturday at Silvercrest? No.
Not for free.
Get her out, brother.
Not gonna get there.
I know that side.
Good go, Michael. Good ball. It's all right. We're looking at it. Great ball.
I just wanted to be safe on a par 4 on the second shot.
Oh, Gooley.
that's
Yeah,
gonna be
that-
nice.
Kick left. That's gonna be nice. That's gonna be
That
nice.
might be on the green.
Way nice.
Deep. I think it's deep. I think you're okay.
Went forward.
They're up by 15.
Good stroke. Just in the wrong direction is all. Fever winning.
Bob, if you put this in, I'll subscribe. Nope, lost the follower.
Oh, he's going to kick. Nope, she hung.
Okay.
Right in the gulch.
August, that's a good shot.
Yeah, it is a great shot in late summer.
Well, let's not get.
Not 25 footers on buck 6. On 7. I mean, on 5. Or the new iron. Like that. This is one of the most efficient ones I found that have gone with the these have
You see my fucking bag?
I don't know.
Smart to do. All right, let's go. We gotta put this in.
Yeah. Put it in. $2. Get to that 3 under card back. Left to right a little bit.
I know we're coming off of the
Coming out of
fairway.
that Franklin push it.
Alright, real.
Yeah. What the fuck?
Yeah. That's okay. There's like a yeah.
Slow down. A lot of shit to get.
And
Put one
oh,
foot.
you're not putt.
No,
It pulled
no,
it.
I got one more chance to skull fuck this thing, and I'm gonna take. God damn it. Maybe I can do a double hit again. That would be great.
You don't have to.
That was pretty funny.
Was it?
You don't have to.
I didn't fucking laugh at all.
Nice,
Get
Michael.
in, Michael! Oh!
And then you do that and totally redeem.
Totally redeem yourself.
Like, just step up and whack it. Yeah. Good.
Good ball, Michael.
Hey, thanks for in for par, Gully. You could go for it.
Thank you. Get there.
Hey, we got a clean card.
Yep. No bogeys. Vicious. Hit our last one there. And we beat these guys.
Yeah, you did beat us. You got nervous though. You
Oh,
were
yeah,
nervous
it was
up
close.
until.
Who the fuck was nervous? Oh wait, I gotta turn it this way. This is for par.
Yeah, that's for bar.
They should give out some award for a bogey-free round. I mean, a participation.
In a 3-man best shot. But it's April, so it's different. This could be money. Goodness. Good.
Dars?
Dars.
Oh,
Got it!
Shot of the week.
only beat us by one.
Job, Dar.
Great.
Good job. Here goes Cap. That's the end of the Clegg Seth. Nick and Bob take on the world.
Again.
I don't shake hands with ladies.
Oh no. You like booty. Well, I don't have it.
I do like movies. Huge fan.
Well, I already shook. Awkwardly shook. Good job, brother. Michael.
What'd we go?
Home poker.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Good one.